Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, as the title says, I'm doing a mail call from Courtney at Whyde Family Farm. She just had her 500th subscriber giveaway, and she sent me a little package, and there was a note in it. I'm going to read you the note here first. Thank you, dear Gil. Thank you for being with us on our 500 subscriber giveaway. Hope you enjoyed these seeds. Thank you for being there for us and being a good friend. God bless. And signed Courtney's husband and Courtney. Yay, Courtney and Courtney's husband, Dustin. All right, so she sent me 3 packages of seeds. And so the first one, cauliflower. Ooh, my wife will like that. The next one is mixed colored Swiss chard. And I'll try some of those here and let my wife try some more down there in California. She has a lot better luck with Swiss chard down there than I do up here. And the final thing is early wonder beet. Ooh. So I will be planting these, some of these here, and I will be sending the cauliflower to my wife because I don't like cauliflower. I'll eat it when she fixes it in a special way, but she likes cauliflower, so she'll plant it down there and give it to the boys down there. So if you haven't had a chance to get over to check out Courtney at Whyde Family Farm, do it. It's a great channel. She's been doing great things for the homesteading community. And she's actually been on a couple of my live streams. So check her out, subscribe to her, and give her a thumbs up on her videos. Alrighty. And for all the rest of you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, down here is a little link, a little button that says subscribe. Click it, and then you'll have your choice on the notifications. So click the top bell to get all notifications. That way you know when I post a video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, but you're in the know. And as always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out this little follow-up stream here of 20 seconds of videos you might be interested in. All righty?